Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove labels from Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Google Maps application. Once you are there, just head over to the save option right here on the lower part. And then there you'll see several options, and from them just head over to labeled and then click on add a place. Suppose I am just choosing a place in the map and just tap on save and name it. I'm just naming it anything. Click on done, and here you can see I have already created a label for my Google map, and I just want to remove the label. So what I will do is just head over to the three dots icon, or just head over to the label option, and then just right beside the label there you'll see a three dot icon, and just head over to it, and there comes the layout of remove label. Just tap on remove label and your label is removed. You can also undo it within 10 seconds or 5 to 10 seconds. And yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.